Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the Master of the Day of Judgment, and a bundle of Durud Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Dear students, Mathematics Exercise 4B for New Secondary Mathematics Book 1, Abstract Students Class 6, and Exercise 8B for New Syllabus Mathematics B1. Students, question number 10. A number is 2400. First, it is increased by 30%, and after increasement, then this number is decreased by 20%, and we have to find the number, new number. So, students, we will write percentage after increasement. Percentage after increasement is equal to 100%. Plus 30%, and it will become 130%. So students, number after increasement, number after increasement will be 130% of 2400. Now students, we will write 130. In place of percentage, I will write 1 over 100. Multiply by, in place of half, I will write multiply 2400. So students, this 0 will be cancelled to this 0, and this 0 will be cancelled to this 0, and the number after increment will be 130 multiplied by 24. Now students, 130 will be multiplied by 24, and the number will become 130 multiplied by 24, and number is students 3120. Now students, this number is decreased by 20%. So students, I will write percentage after decrease will be 100% minus 20%, and that will become 80%. So students, new number will be 80% of 3120, and students, it is written as 80 multiplied by 1 over 100 in place of percentage, multiplied by 3120. This 0 will be cancelled to this 0, and this 0 will be cancelled to this 0. Students, keep in mind that when we are multiplying or dividing, and the zeros that are written at the end of the number, that 0 can be cancelled. Students, if it is written 102 over 10, now you can't cancel this 0 and this 0. We can cancel only if it is 120 over 10, then last 0 will be cancelled to last 0. Now students, it is written as 8 multiplied by 312. Now students, we will multiply 8 with 312, and that will be the new number. So students, it will be 2496. 2496 is the number that is increased by 30% first, and then the number is decreased by 20%. So the new number will be 2496. Students, question number 11. In 2011, a train carried 8% more passengers than in 2011. In 2011, increasement in passengers is equal to 8%. And students, in 2012, again there is increasement of 8% of the numbers that are in 2012. So students, we have to find increased percentage. We have to find increase percentage from 2010 to 2012. So students, this is the question, and first we will suppose that the passengers in 2010 is equal to X. Passengers in 2010 is equal to H. Now students, increased percentage, or we can say that percentage after increment, percentage after increment is equal to 100% plus 8% and it will become 108%. So students, passengers in 2011 will be 108% of X. So students, it will become 108 multiplied by 1 over 100 multiplied by X and it will become 1.08x. Again students, these are the passengers in 2011 and in 2012 again there is an increment of 8%. So percentage after increment again will be 100% plus 8% and it will become 108%. So students, passengers in 2012 is equal to 108% of 1.08x. Again students, it is written as 108 multiplied by 1 over 100 multiplied by 1.08x. And students, when we multiply by 1.08 with 1.08 and divided by 100, or you can divide the 108 by 100 and it will become 1.08 multiplied by 1.08x. And students, now we will multiply 1.08 and 1.08 and it is students 1.1664x, and these are the passengers in 2012. Now students, increment in passengers is equal to 1.1664x minus x, the total passengers that we have supposed. So students, increment is 0.1664x and we have to find the increased percentage. So students, increased in number is 0.1664x and the original passengers are x. So students, for finding out percentage, the formula is increment in passengers over passengers multiplied by 100% and that will be the increment. So students, we will write increased percentage, increasing percentage will be increased in number over total number multiplied by 100%. So students, increment in number is 0.1664x and total passengers are x multiplied by 100%. X will be cancelled to x and when we multiply 0.1664 by 100, we will have 16.64%. So students, passengers increased 16.64% from 2010 to 2012. Students, 12th question of the same exercise is, there is a factory who is making some articles and the price of raw material is $100, cost of overhead is $80 and the wage for making the article is $120. After some time, there is an increment of the cost in raw material 11% and increment in overhead charges is 20%, but in wage there is decreasement of 15%. And we have to find either it is increased or decreased new value. If it is increased, then we have to find increased percentage, and if the new number is decreased, then we have to find the decreased percentage. So students, first we will find the total cost. Total cost, that will be $100 plus $80 plus $120, and it will be 100 to 300. So students, before increasement or decreasement in different values, the total cost is $300. Now we have to find the new value, and new value is increased in percentage of raw material in overhead cost, but it is decreased of 15% in wage. So students, we will find percentage of raw material after increasement, or you can say after increasement percentage will be 100% plus 11%, so it will become 111%. So students, new cost for raw material, cost for raw material will be 111% of $100, and students, it will become 111 multiplied by 1 over 100 multiplied by $100. So students, 100 will be cancelled with 100, and the new cost of raw material will be $111. So students, overhead in percentage after increasement of overhead percentage will be 100% plus 20%, and it will become students 120%. So the cost will be, the new cost will be students 120%, or you can say overhead cost, overhead will be 120% of $80, and it will become students 120 multiplied by 1 over 100 multiplied by $80. This 0 will be cancelled to this 0, and this 0 will be cancelled to this 0, and the overhead cost will be $12 multiplied by 8 mean 96. Now students, we have to find the decreased percentage, because it is decreased by 15% of wage, new wage cost or new wage percentage after decrease is 100% minus 15%, and students, it will become 85%. So new wage will be 85% of $120. And now students, we will find the wage, and wage will be 85 multiplied by 1 over 100 multiplied by $120. This 0 and this 0 will be cancelled. 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10, 5 1 are 5, 5 1 are 5, and 3 carry, 5 7 are 35, and it will become 17 multiplied by $6, and it will become $17 multiplied by 6 mean 102. Now students, after the changes in price, the new price will be new price or new cost. New cost is better word. New cost will be $111 plus $96 plus $108. Now students, we will sum up all the numbers, and it will become 100 and 100, 213, and it will become students, okay, we will use calculator to sum up. 111 plus 96 plus 102, and we will have 309. So students, the new price or the new cost is $309, and the price before increasement is $300. So students, there is increase of $9 in the price. So students, we will write it as increasement in price, or increasement in price or cost will be $309 minus $300, and it is, students, $9. Now we have to find increase percentage. Increase percentage will be increase number or profit, or you can say that the number increasing in number, that is $9, and total cost is $300, multiply by 100%, as we have to find the percentage. Dollar will be cancelled to dollar, these two zeros will be cancelled with these two zeros, and 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So students, increasement in cost is not dollar, increasement in cost is 3% only. So students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.